Oh, stretch, stretch, stretch. Addie, is your hair wild today?
Yeah.
Did you just wake up?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, did you sleep so good?
Yeah.
Good. We're gonna go to Grandma's house today.
Go to my.
Not today,
Not today.
but soon.
But soon.
Friday. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Hope everyone is having an awesome week. We are halfway through it. Thank you guys for being here with us. Thank you for being with our family and sharing our days with us. We love you guys. We're so glad you're here. I am folding some laundry this morning. Avery's snoozing. Addie is up playing with her babies. And we are looking forward to a fantastic day. It's beautiful and it's warm. Loving it. We are going to head to Walmart to pick out an outside toy today. And then we are heading over to Grandma's house for lunch and some outside playtime. Looking forward to it. Come along with us. We'll see you guys there.
Not only is she getting a sticker, she can also pick out a treat. What would you like?
All right, we're on our way to Walmart. Have to document this though because Addie said the sweetest thing this morning. So backstory is that yesterday, whenever we were in Cave Spring, we went into a store and they had a painting of a Bigfoot. And she didn't know what that was, so I was telling her that that's Bigfoot. And today she was helping me with Avery, and she said, "I'm a Bigfoot sister," rather than a big sister. She said, "I'm a Bigfoot sister," and that was super cute. So Addie has been asking to go through the car wash recently. She's been obsessed with car washes. So today we are going through the car wash. Addie, are you ready to go through the car wash, baby? Is it gonna be fun? Maybe a little bit scary? We'll see. Here we go. Here we go. Are you ready? There's nothing to be afraid of, right? Can you say perfectly safe? It's fun, Addie. No, there's no reason to cry, babe. Honey. Look at how cool these lights are, babe. Whoa. Addie, look at these blue lights. They're so cool. Look at all the bubbles. Whoa. Do you have bubbles on your window? Look at all the bubbles. Wow, that's so very cool. Whoa, scrub-a-dub-dub. Oh, that's so cool. Baby girl, it's okay, honey, it's okay. Here comes the big brush. Then it's going to dry it all off, but that's going to be very cool. It's just a bath for Mommy's car. Yeah, it's just a bath for Mommy's car. Nothing to be afraid of. Do you have to take baths? Mommy's favorite part right here. Nothing to be afraid of. It's almost over. are we going?
Mama, it's over.
Yeah, did you like it?
Yes.
Yeah. Where are we headed to now?
It's okay. I'm not be afraid.
Yeah, don't need to be afraid.
I'll be a good girl.
You are a good girl. Where are we going now?
To go out.
Let's go to Grandma's house.
I like it.
I know. All right, we are off. It is Wednesday afternoon. Let me just tell you, it is 5 o'clock. I think this is my favorite time of day during, this time of year. After we spring forward, I love this afternoon, 5 o'clock to 7-ish, 7:30, somewhere in there. I don't know, something just feels very refreshing about it. And I just love the way the sun feels. It's great. Anyway, I just dropped Addie off with my mom, so she's hanging out over there for a few hours while me and Jonathan have a little date night with Avery. So Avery is in tow with me. We just don't want to be rushed to get back to her. So she's just going to come with us tonight so that we can enjoy ourselves and take our time. And Addie will be just fine with MawMaw. So she's hanging out over there. I'm headed into town. We're going to one of our favorite spots tonight. And we haven't actually been here in a long time. I mean, we probably haven't been there's a very good chance we haven't been here in close to a year. So we are headed to Anna's Deli in downtown Rome. Nothing fancy, but really good food. I think I'm going to get a pasta salad. So it is fantastic. I'll be sure to show you guys what that is going to look like. And yeah, we're just going to go and enjoy ourselves. Here's a huge update though. Addie took a nap today. Yay! So it was a car. Well, it started as a car nap. So we left Jonathan's mom's house around 2 o'clock, and she fell asleep within like 4 minutes of leaving their house. So she fell asleep. We got home, and I laid her down at 2:38. She slept for 2 hours. It was awesome. So that was fantastic. Very, very thankful for that. And we're headed to town. We'll see you guys at Anna's. It is the Moats girls coming at you to tell you good night on this Wednesday. It's been a fun day, hasn't it? Has it been a fun day? Yeah.
MawMaw.
We went to MawMaw's house tonight. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yes. We went to Grandma's house today and MawMaw's house tonight. We had a fun Wednesday. Mommy and Daddy got some date time. We enjoyed a good dinner. And now we are getting ready to head to bed. So we are looking forward to a fun day tomorrow with friends, and we cannot wait to take you guys along with us. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching us. Thanks for sharing time with our family. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Can you say see you tomorrow?
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye.